So you want to make an extra $1,000 a week and you want to make it simple, right? From home in your own time. If that's the case, stay tuned. My name is Paul Farmer. I've been making money online for over 12 years now, and I've done a little bit about everything you can think of. Had some success, had a lot of failures. Spent a lot of time in learning different skills and trainings, attending webinars, all this stuff. And what I'm going to share with you today requires none of that. You don't have to talk to a soul. Uh, you don't talk to anybody. You don't have to chase your friends and family. You don't have to market. You don't have to literally do anything that's difficult. It's actually very simple to do. It's something you probably learned how to do. I'm thinking you learned how to do it in grade school, elementary school. Uh, and when I first learned about this side hustle, this easy side hustle, um, I could barely believe it, to be honest with you, because I couldn't believe it was that simple to start making decent income from my comfort of my home. Because everything I've done in the past required me a certain level of skill. Like I had to learn how to communicate with people effectively. I had to learn how to uh, you know, create marketing material and write emails and work on my mindset and all this stuff. And what I'm going to share with you in this video, you don't have to do any of that stuff, and you can legitimately make $1,000 or more per week doing it. Um, so let me just get to it. I got a little thing I put together to kind of walk through what it is and how it works. So who can do this? Anybody. Anybody can do it. Anybody who wants to make extra money can do this. Again, um, there are some exceptions. Like this is only in the US and Canada that you can do this, and it excludes certain states, Washington State, Idaho, Michigan, and the province of Quebec in Canada. But this is great for high school students, college students, stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads, um, retirees, you name it. If you could use extra money, this is something you absolutely can do. Oh, and no felonies. No felonies. So what are we doing? What are we doing? We're writing letters. Little short 100-word letters. Less than 100 words. I'm sorry, less than 100 words. And it's not like your formal letter where dear so and so and sincerely, and you have to have a bunch of different addresses and all that. No, we're writing to one address and we're writing the exact same thing over and over and over again, as many times as you want. And these large companies, these billion-dollar companies, will pay you up to $5 per letter you write. Now, they have to be handwritten by you, printed, actually. They prefer printing, but it's very simple to do. Like I said, anybody can do this. It doesn't really require any real skills. I mean, I don't consider writing a skill um, because you learn that in elementary school. So it's not a high level skill by any means. Most people know how to write. Um, so here's the skills required. Let's go down the list here. The ability to write using a pen and follow simple instructions. That's it. If you can follow simple instructions and write using a pen, you could be getting paid $500 to $1,000 a week. That's very doable by simply doing that. Okay. Again, let me just go over this again. There's no recruiting needed. There's no selling. There's no marketing. There's no talking to people. There's no branding, blogging, making podcasts, making videos, uh, writing emails, posting on social media. I mean, are you getting this? Like this is so simple. It's almost ridiculous to me that it's this simple. But it is. It is. I've been paid 10 times now. My wife's been paid 10 times by these large companies that we're writing letters to. We get paid weekly. Weekly, we get paid, and it's anywhere from low being like 250, 200 to over $1,000 in a week, depending on how much you write. So when I first started this, when I first learned about this, first of all, I was like, you got to be kidding me. Like that cannot be real. And maybe that's how you feel. Maybe you feel that way. Oh, it cannot be real. That's not possible. How could it be that easy? It is that easy. It does exist. It is the real deal. And I can attest to that. I mean, this group right here we created, we put proof in this group all the time, testimonials, more information about how it works. So there's really nothing to be concerned about. Or um, I know there's a lot of skeptical people. Maybe you're skeptical. I don't know. I understand because it sounds crazy, right? It doesn't sound real, but it is real. And it is that simple. People go and work full-time jobs that do require skills, that do require education, and they don't even make this, So maybe you just want to add to your income. So this is a great opportunity to do that. So what do you need? Envelopes, index cards, pen, and stamps. That's it. That's all you need. I think just the time to do it. I do this while I watch TV, while I listen to like motivational speakers, or I go through trainings. I mean, I'm always educating myself, but I also watch TV. So I also watch TV while I do this, or listen to music. You can do it however you want. Uh, so this is all you need. Index card, like I said. And then what you want to do, this sounds good to you. If you want to start earning by simply writing short letters, go to the link right below this video, and that's going to take you in and show you exactly how it works, what it's about, how this came to be, and you're going to learn how you get access to a course, a training, a membership that's about 20 minutes long. This particular course, and it's going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do it. They even check your work, so you can submit your template, your work, and they'll check it over and make sure everything is right within the membership. So you will get paid. Because if you do it wrong, like if you spell something wrong or you leave a word out, uh, that could cost you. So it's great that within the membership, they go and they check your work and make sure everything is uh, up to par. And then they also have ongoing live training, question and answer, where you can come in, you can ask any question you have, and your questions will get answered in real time. We have a full community of people also that are also very willing to help you out and answer any questions as well. So if you want a very simple way, you want the easiest side hustle in 2024, check it out. Go to the link in the description. With that, make it a great day. I'll see you on the next one.